If you want to change messages tone on POCO X8 Pro or Pro Max, you can, for example, open settings. Then we can scroll down a little bit and proceed to sound and vibration. Over here we should be able to choose notifications, and you will open the themes app where we have the ringtone category selected. So now in here we can go to pre-installed ringtones, choose notifications, and then in here of course we can change the notification sound. So of course this also has the impact on the new messages, so the sound that your phone makes when you receive a new message. So if you change it over here, you can change for messages as well. But in case you want to change the sound just for messages and only for that, then in that case we're gonna go back, and we're gonna actually go back to the main menu of settings, and in here you want to proceed to the notifications and status bar. Now in here go to app notifications, then you want to find messages app, you want to tap on it. In here scroll down and find incoming messages. Then here we have the sound option, and then once again we can just choose the sound that we want to use for new messages only. So let's say I'm gonna select this sound over here, I'm gonna tap on apply and confirm my choice. So now my notification sound is, or actually the other way around, the messages sound, the messages tone is separated from notification sounds. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.